It's a pleasure to have you here again. One more year, same place, different year. And obviously, I hope that for all of you, different conditions that we had and different environment we had last year. We don't have a picture here to show you, but these are the schools and these are the kids that we help with the money that we spent instead of partying last year in helping these kids. And I have to tell you that there are 2 schools in Ecuador that are very thankful for everything we did. We have more than 300 pupils, 300 kids that are no longer working or trying to figure out how to survive in a harsh environment in Latin America, and they are trying to figure out how to get educated and how to learn the technologies or the things that we as a telecommunication company can offer. So that's the only thing that I would like to share with you. I'm very happy to announce that, and I hope that you can share that with me. We accomplished that this yesterday. Thank you for everything that you shared with us last year, because those 300 kids, I'm sure, are going to be very grateful to you too. And enjoy the party. I hope that this year is as good as last year, and I hope to see you again next year too. Thank you very much.